Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup using Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office. Open Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Acronis website and follow the installation prompts. Once the program is open, you'll see the dashboard. To begin, click on the Backup tab. Select Add Backup to create a new backup task. Choose the type of backup you want to create. You can select from options like Entire PC, Disk and Partition, or Files and Folders. For a full system backup, select You can backup to a local drive, external storage, or cloud storage. If you're backing up to the cloud, make sure you're signed in to your Acronis account. Click on Next to proceed after choosing your backup destination. Now, you will see the backup options. Set the backup schedule to determine how often the backup runs. You can choose options like daily, weekly, or a custom schedule based on your needs. Review additional options like notifications and encryption settings. If you want your backup to be encrypted, enable the encryption option and set a password. Once you have configured all settings, click on Backup Now to start the backup process. The program will display the progress of the backup. Wait for the process to complete, which may take some time depending on the size of the data. Once the backup is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. To verify the backup, navigate to the Backup section in the dashboard. Here, you can see all your backup tasks and their status. If needed, you can also initiate a recovery from this section. To manage your backup tasks, revisit the Backup section for options to edit, delete, or run the backup again. Review your backup settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date. That concludes the step-by-step guide on how to backup using Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.